So for today's lunch, we are having some pasta, nuggets, and apple. Liam's having the same thing, just adding the ketchup. And the pasta, I usually boil it, and then I dump the water, and my daughter's really hungry, and I put it back in the pan. After I boil it, I dump the water, then put it back in the pan, and then I add some butter and a bit of garlic salt. And if you don't have garlic salt, you can put onion salt. If not, you can add actual garlic in there. And they are really hungry now, so I'll give it to them now. For today's lunch, my kids are having a light lunch, and it's mostly like a snack lunch type thing. They like crackers with Philadelphia cream cheese, so the white original one, and some strawberries. My son is having the same. And sometimes when I get really busy or have a lot of things to do, this is like a go-to quick like lunch or snack idea. It all depends. If they had good breakfast, then I'll give them something light like this. If they have little breakfast, then I will give something more hearty and to sustain them throughout the day or until like the next snack or dinner. But this is pretty fast and easy if you're on the go or you just want to give your kids something fast and quick to eat. And my kids love cream cheese and they love these Ritz crackers. And you can do any fruit. It could be apple, orange, strawberries. They usually go for oranges, apples, or strawberries. They do like peaches and grapes and all that stuff, but for today we chose strawberries. Hey guys, for this third lunch that I am showing you guys, it is some boiled pasta. You can use any pasta of your choice, and I have here some pasta tomato sauce that I just heated up, and I will pour this on top of the pasta like so. And this is a recipe that my aunt used to make me and my cousin when she was at work and we were with her. It was quick for her to make us and very delicious. I loved it, and I just decided to make that, and I make that for my kids now when I really don't have time to make lunch, because I do go to school, so it is hard to make like planned meals. So this is just quick. And I'm using this Mexican style shredded cheese. I'm not sure if this is the one that she chose, like this brand, but it was this mixed yellow cheese, and she would sprinkle it on top. And my kids love cheese, so depending on your kids, if they like little cheese or more cheese. And she would mix it up for us like so. It's like spaghetti with like yellow cheese, but it's so good. Like, she would make it for me and my cousin, and we would eat this up. So I make it for my kids now. Okay, I will let the cheese just melt a little while and just serve it to my kids, give it to them.